Okay, girls, the last video for tonight was question 17, the next one that was asked as a priority to do today. So, question 17. In question 17, I'm going to do B, which is 60, because that one has a lot of factors. So, question B is 60. And the question says, find all the factors of each of the following numbers. So, in class, we used a system in which we're going to use the prime factors of 60. I'm going to do it underneath here. And then we're going to create our rainbow that Sienna Rose talked about on one of the classes. So, let's do it. 60 is divisible by 2, so 60 divided by 2 is 30. 30 divided by 2 is 15. 15 divided by 3, it's 5. And 5 divided by 5 is 1, and I'm finished. Then I write 60 is 2 times 2 times 3 times 5. Okay. So when I'm going to find all the factors of 60, so I'm going to write it down here. I'm going to change something here only because to be more exact. The factors of 60 are. So the first factor for all numbers is going to be 1. And then comma, and we go to the end, to the end, to the end, to the end, and we write 60, comma. Good. And we have our first arc of our rainbow. I'm going to do it here. Good. Don't worry that these 5 got crossed over. Don't worry. We are going to keep it there. Let's write it down here only so that things are a little bit more clear. 60 is equal to 2 times 2 times 3 times 5. Good. I'm going to erase these ones here. Good. And I'm going to complete our line here. All good. Now, I look at these factors and I see, do I have a 2 in here? Yes, I do. Here it is. Okay. So if I have the 2, then I'm going to write it. 2 is also a factor of 60, and 60 divided by 2 is going to be equal to 30. Good. Then I continue and I say, do I have a 3 in these factors? Yes, I do. Here it is. So I have this 3 here. So I can write that 3 is also a factor of 60, and if I do 60 divided by 3, it's going to be equal to 20. Great. Now, do I have a 4? Doesn't look like you cannot see it right away, but yes, if you look at carefully, I do have a 4 because 2 times 2 is equal to 4. So I do have a 4. And 60 divided by 4 is equal to 15. Perfect. Great. So we are good up to this point here. Now, do we have a 5? Yes, that's clear. I have a 5 here. So 60 divided by 5 is going to be equal to 12. So I write 12 in here. Good. Do I have a 6 in here? Again, not explicitly, but if I look closer, I have a 2 and a 3 here, which is 6. So yes, there is a 6 there. And 60 divided by 6 is going to be equal to 10. Good. Have I finished? Let's look. 6. Do I have a 7? No, I don't have a 7 because 7 is a prime number and I don't have a factor here that is 7. Do I have an 8? No, because I will have to have 2 times 2 times 2 and I don't have that here. Do I have a 9? No, because I would have to have another 3 times it. No, I don't have a 9. And I get to 10, so that means that I'm finished. And I can continue. If you want to verify this, just continue with your rainbow. So you say how these pairs actually work together, and these pairs are factors of 60. And with this video, we conclude our revision for our test. So girls, I wish you good luck. Work hard, study, and I know that you're prepared and you're going to be amazing. I hope I see some of you tomorrow in parent teacher interviews. So take care. Have a good night. Bye-bye.